made it. Do-it-yourself Del product, famous gum manufacturer, and this is their peppermint gum. So again, if we're looking at maybe a stomach, a minor stomach problem or something, this peppermint might do it. Don't know for sure, but I'm suggesting I'll try it out here to see what it tastes like. See if we can taste the peppermint, but it's kind of that color, and you kind of get impressed upon you that peppermint flavor right away. So you're driving the car and maybe you had something to eat that disagreed with you. Maybe you just have somebody hand you a stick of gum, or if you're driving alone, the 15 sticks here, you could have it up on the dashboard and just take a stick out. And they're easy to unwrap. So I wonder if this will be the shortest eval in history of the Do-It-Yourself Del channel. But I don't want to beat a dead horse on this one either. It is what it is, peppermint gum. And it's by a major manufacturer. It's not bad. I'm not a peppermint guy, and I'm sort of liking it. So until next time.